Welcome to my poster pitch. My name is Nina Smirnova. I am a master student at the University of Bonn and studying applied linguistics. I am also working at the Gesis Leibniz Institute for the Social Sciences. I would like to present our project Mining Acknowledgement Texts in the Web of Science, which is also a part of my master thesis. Aims of our project are detection and quantitative analysis of acknowledged entities. We would like to conduct a named entity recognition task in a larger corpus of Web of Science articles, which contain acknowledgements. At the end, we would like to develop an approach which will be able to detect acknowledged entities of 6 types: person, funding organization, grant number, university, corporation, and miscellaneous. Previous works on automatic acknowledgements analysis, of which we are aware, were mostly concerned with the extraction of funding organizations and grant numbers. Acknowledgements in Web of Science have also information about funding organization and grant number. We want to extend that to other types of acknowledged entities. We decided to use Flare for our project. Flare is open-source NLP framework. It has shown better accuracy for named entity recognition tasks using pre-trained dataset in comparison with other open-source NLP tools. For our project, we created 3 datasets, 2 training corpora and 1 acknowledgement corpus. Our corpora were restricted by year, scientific discipline, and publishing type. We also developed a semi-automated approach to annotate acknowledgements. Flare has 3 basic training algorithms. We applied the 3 algorithms to the small training dataset. Results were not satisfying for some entity types. That way, our next steps are to apply training algorithms for the bigger dataset. Then we will apply the best model on the acknowledgements dataset, and in the last stage, we will conduct a quantitative analysis of extracted entities. Thank you for your attention, and if you would like to learn more about our project, please visit our website.